Tu mensaje llenando el colchón. Me juraste que estabas pa' largo y te fuiste sin explicación. Tus amigos mirando mi historia como si yo tuviera el guión. Pero ni yo entiendo esta trama, mucho menos tu corazón. Dime si esto tiene sentido, si tú me dices que me olvide, pero llama cuando sientes frío y me buscas cuando nadie viene. Dime, ¿por qué juegas conmigo? Me enredas en lo que no se entiende, entre besos que saben a alivio y tus ganas que de pronto mienten. Esa foto en la playa en tu feed, la subiste pa' que yo la vea, sí. Un te extraño que nunca escribís, pero en persona no sabes salir. De mi abrazo te quedas temblando, te conozco la forma de huir. Si me miras se caen tus muros, pero el orgullo no te deja admitir. Yo te doy mi calma y mi caos, tú me das distancia y cercanía. Vienes con tu risa de viernes y te vas con tu adiós de lunes al día. Dime si esto tiene sentido. Tú me dices que me olvide, pero llamas cuando sientes frío y me buscas cuando nadie viene. Dime, ¿por qué juegas conmigo? Me enredas en lo que no se entiende, entre besos que saben y alivio. Te vas, regresas, me besas, te alejas, tus dudas, mis certezas. Yo que te abrí todas las puertas y tú con la llave en la mesa, jugando a perder lo que sientes de veras. Te vas, yeah. Dembowcito, mami,
What's going on, man?
escúchame bien. Tú bajaste lenta del carro, piel morena, brillo de verano. Dices que el amor te hizo daño, pero esos ojitos piden otro intento. Claro, dice yo ya no creo en nadie. Yo respondo déjame intentarlo. No te prometo universo y planeta.
No, no courses, just free live trading right now.
Y se te nota que quiere y te aguanta la nota. Besitos se te asoma en la boca, pero el orgullo te tiene rota. Yo te propongo un ratito y se olvide ese tonto que te habló bonito y fue otro. Aquí se cura todo con el fondo. Top dembowcito contigo, baby. Suena la pista y se calma el maybe. Tú te me pegas, pierdo la ley. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Top dembowcito sudando lento. Sube la vibra, baja el cuento. Tú y yo cerquita sin argumento. Yeah, 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 yeah. Una vuelta más y me mata. Tu cintura manda mi mente se retrata. Pegadito tú marcando la ruta. Yo siguiéndote el compás. Cerquita tu nuca. Mordiéndote el labio pa' verme. Pero haces como que nada se siente. Si supieras cómo tiembla mi voz cuando dices en mi oído no te vayas de repente. Y se te nota que quiere y te aguanta la nota. Besitos se te asoma en la boca, pero el miedo te tiene rota. Yo te propongo olvidarse de todo ese fondo. Si la noche nos mira de pronto, que se quede ciega cuando te respondo. Di lo que tú quieras, pero quédate cerquita, que si yo no creo se derrite.
Yo, what's going on, Mark?
Top Dembowcito.
Damn, this breakout was nice here. No, I would have thought the same thing too. This is way too shallow. But if you do look at the 30, we do get a nice little impulse move here. Just, I didn't even look at the 30 early enough to recognize it. Joel, que lo que, que lo que. La competición is hot. It's hot. I think I would have ripped it, to be honest, if I'd have seen it. I probably would have wanted just a deeper retracement here, but my stop loss would have been, I don't know, like this is what it might have looked like. Something like this, maybe, or even like closer here. Probably would have put it at the bottom here and give it a little bit of room in case I wanted to retest. But this is a pretty decent retest, creates the support here on the 30. But it's also starting on Asia session, so, you know, not bad to like wait off, that's fine. The likelihood of us getting this volume was like very low, so all good. If this was happening at 8, this is a very good trade. But it's a good trade either way, right? It's just I didn't see it. It's like I can be honest and say that I didn't see it. That's okay. I do want to get a little aggressive here on NQ. We can get a break above this. It seems a little overextended for sure. But there's really not a lot that's holding us back from going up here, so. Was today NVIDIA earnings? Is that what it was? Sí, NVIDIA está como durísimo, pero yo necesito que el resto de ellos sigan para arriba. Yeah, same, Logan. I don't even blame you if it held off on this trade. I was looking to see if hopefully we could break like above here for a breakout. My eyes for some reason weren't trained for the impulse here. But all good, right? Like, I'm pretty sure we'll get something tonight, so I'm not too concerned. I was messing around with this account and now I have like $334 in drawdown. I got a little too cocky with my little win streak and start playing around a little bit too much. but it's all good. Sometimes you need an account to just like let loose on. I'm just happy it was an eval and not a funded. Sí, el oro está duro, en verdad. Yo en verdad quería coger esto aquí, pero yo no esperaba que iba a pasar tan duro a esa hora. Si hubiera sido a las 8, sí, ya estaba más dispuesto para coger esa operación. How are you guys adjusting to me language changing like every 5 minutes? Or are you guys just like, he ain't talking to me. I'm gonna just keep it going. I know that's what Ross is saying. Like, what are you damn spicks doing over here in my channel? That's probably what Ross sounds like. What other languages do you speak, Mark? French? Nice. What you know, Ross? Like, ¿cómo estás? I'm like in the mood to get like a little aggressive tonight, so I'm gonna see if I can find something that's like pretty decent. Yeah, like for me it doesn't really have to be super A plus, just because there's I can't even explain it well, but just the fact that like we're moving this aggressively. So we'll do one or two things. We'll either consolidate a shit ton, or there's a second move to this, a second leg to this. So I'm actually trying to see if we can get that out here on NQ. We'll see. If we somehow can flip this daily candle red as well, that'd be pretty interesting. But I'm looking for the longs a little bit more. I'll show you guys something that's pretty interesting, right? So you take out most recent low. Hold on, let me see if I can show you. Take out most recent low, put in the lowest low. That's what you're seeing here. Create a higher low. Anything after this, like in order for us to be bearish, we have to break this here. But I'm also seeing that my higher time frame levels are not here. So let me get them in here. There it is. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. And look at the level, is interesting. Like it almost lines up. This is previous day low. So we come back down here, put in this low. Previous day holds this, and now as long as we're above this and above previous week high, sorry, previous week low, we're good. And then look at this. We also have, I think this orange is what yesterday's high. So ideally, if we're above this, we're super long. Nah, Roz ain't learning a new language, man. At all. At all. Damn, this is actually really, really good, this long here. You're gonna have to prove me wrong, bro, because you're gonna have to prove me wrong. That's all I'm gonna say. I knew that's the reason why. You always got an ulterior motive, bro. Crazy. Yo creo que el gap lo vamos a llenar ahorita, no ahora, en verdad. Yo estoy más dispuesto para coger una operación para arriba aquí, en vez de para abajo. Pero si es para abajo, esto se ve como un buen target. Mira, ni tiene ni un hueco aquí. Tú ves, esa vaina más subió. Break out long, break out long, break out long. I'd take this one, IQ. Let me see if there's a wick here that I gotta be careful for. Not really. It's not really anything. I mean, I guess this little wick here, this is a wick high, but nothing crazy. Yeah, we got room into here. More than enough room. Erase these drawings. I think that GC was probably play of the night. But I'm pretty sure someone else is gonna pop them here. With 8 p.m. coming up, I think we've got something 8 p.m. This will be pretty good, right? Like this breakout here. I just want to see if we can get rid of this wick here. If we can get rid of this wick, we should have a pretty decent play. Alright, 11 minutes left. Oh, we might get this. Hold on. Are we gonna get this a little at a time? Come on, bro. Just hold off. Hold off. It's too early. Come on, just hold off, man. Okay, this is pretty good. Just needs to hold off here for like another 10 minutes. It'll be getting into the open. So this is one that I could take the long on. So on the open, I don't really wait for the first minute. I'll tell you guys that ahead of time. I just need to see the manipulation and then I'm in. I missed it yesterday. So if you guys see me mark it in, just know the reason. That's the reason why. Seems like we're losing steam on our way to this resistance, so I was hoping we could just break right through it, but oh, low resistance liquidity here? Yeah, I guess. And I'm not too concerned about that. What would be ideal is for us to like kind of like get up here, break this wick, like a nice little humongous wick, and then just fail. That'll be our opportunity to go short. But if we break above this, I can't ignore that, and I have to go long. So yeah, whatever happens in the next candle, like there's a move for me in NQ on either side. Oh, you were looking more for the short? Yeah, like on either end. The short is obviously easier because we do have a lot of range here. But this is just an easier trade to take along because it's going with the trend. It just needs to chill the fuck out right here. Just don't go anywhere. Obviously take this wick out and then just hold off. Just hold off. I'm gonna switch over here to NQ in case I'll need to mark it in. But I think we should be good. Yeah, I think we should be good. Let's see. How many points is this? About 500 points. So I think I might have to move to MQ. Alright, we'll do it when we get there. That's good. So I'm looking at two plays, either the breakout here, the short, so it's 3 plays. Breakout, short, or this short here. If we can get an engulfing here, Especially if we can turn this into like a hammer, then this can also look pretty good for a short. The A plus setup is this one here, but these are two. These are still two on both ends. The long here is a second A plus setup, and the short here is a second A plus setup. It's an A plus setup. So we'll see. Let's see if we can't go 9 trades. Nine trade win streak. I'm cool with that. Or maybe I have to take my first loss today. And then I'm cool with that too. Okay, chill the fuck out, MQ. Take out this wick. No, no, what are you doing? Come back. Was it come back, Jack? Oh, man. Damn, that's the move. You piece of work. I was seeing that on the 5, but I wanted to wait till 8 because I know a ton of volume's gonna come in. But I didn't expect that. Ah, no, bruh. So we're gonna play around a lot today too. It seems like. Very small likelihood we'll get a small red candle after this though. Given the time. So what I'm hoping for is maybe gold can get weak here, like super aggressively weak, and we can take that. Oh, for sure. That's what I was looking for too. But you can't take it into 8 p.m. because the volume, which is easily a manipulation move, could take you out to just go the other way. So, yeah. So I was waiting till 8 for this exact move to happen. Damn, bro. You piece of. That's the trade. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, we can hope on now as if gold gets weak. Yeah, if I can give that last minute in golf, but I don't think we get that. That's asking for a lot. Thank you, NQ. Yeah, there's nothing there. Look at these candle bodies though. Just getting smaller, 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 smaller. All coming up onto this. I think this would be a really good short here. But we gotta see like some actual confirmation. Because otherwise this is just a grind up. Let's see something.
Encendiendo la casa y mi cuerpo buscándote en la luz. Dime si tú te acuerdas de mí cuando el mundo se te cae encima, sí, porque yo me pierdo en tu voz aunque ya no esté sonando aquí. Qué manera de desearte aunque no estés aquí conmigo. Tu nombre viendo en mi
I'm gonna get a little aggressive here. You guys definitely don't have to take this, but I like the retest. If we're going to be bullish, this is where we can turn around. I just gotta see. Let's see. We have space into the new, to this 667 here. Gotta just put this here. Oh. Manipulation already happened. I'm gonna leave this here for a little bit. If we have like 5 minutes left and we don't take it out, then it's done. But this is a really good retest. If we start going around the other way, we need to hold here. This is the area of resistance we just broke out of, right? We need to hold here and create like a nice little wick here. We still have about 1 minute and 40 seconds to do this. Depending on how this 5 minute closes, it'll let me know kind of where we're going through the night. Okay, this is obviously way below where I wanted. So we're gonna let it be what it be. That's it. That's fine. And GC's just ripping. Oh, you mean all of this beautiful trendline liquidity just going through? Slow resistance liquidity. You can probably get an early entry here. Once this closes to 5, a nice retest up here and you should be good to go. But I'm gonna wait for the 15. Damn, 10 minutes between that happening. good. But also, if this flips, it's over. And when this flips red, done for. It's bad I don't take trades in the 5 minute. Not in Asia. Not in Asia. You know, I tried to teach my niece what the word concur means, and she goes, "Bruh, I'm only 3 years old. Not 3. I'm only 8 years old. I don't need to hear none of this." She's in 3rd grade now, so I was trying to teach her like a little bit more vocabulary words. She's like, yes, Roz, I concur. This is starting to look good, y'all. This is a short I would be willing to take, absolutely. If her dad lets me, she'll be learning about liquidity ASAP. And he would too. Oof. Flip. Flip short. Yeah, looks good on gold too. I'm hoping we can hold off. Just give me like a small green candle so that this is something for us to use. Did we take out that? We did take out that wick. I think this is it for NQ. Yeah, this is it for NQ. That's it. I'm gonna see if we can catch it like down here somewhere. Like after yeah, and we'll probably get down here, nice little retest, and we should be good to go. But we need to wait for that close, for that confirmation. Okay. Should be like one big cell, like just go right through this. No, it would be nice if NQ does stay here. Because we have 5 minutes left. Just hold off. Same with gold. Gold can just hold off. I like it because we can engulf these 2 previous candles, which is kind of what I wanted. If we only engulfed like one, I'd have been a little too like weirded off, especially since how small this candle is. But if we can kind of get this, a nice little retest like somewhere up here. But I don't want it to go too early. Same, both. So this is one of those scenarios where we are right in the direction of the market, right? But we don't have an entry model for this, so we hold. All right, patience is what pays here. We don't get paid to be right. I learned to just have things that like my hands are holding on to, so I don't do something stupid. But yeah, this is the play that you were talking about on gold here. I'm just really hoping we can just hold off here. We got 3 minutes left for the next 15-minute candle. Okay, if you went that low, just break below here. Just hold though. Don't respect this support. We should be good. This is the short that I was willing to take. Look at how far up we're. Let me see something. This is kind of my target here, so risk to reward has to make sense for me to take this short. But I like it so far. I like how it's looking. Just chill out, bro. Just give me a nice little wick. Come on. Wake up. Wake up, give me a ring. Give me something to play with. Yankees just going. Alright, take out this bottom wick, and then we should be okay. Good job, Goldie. Perfect. Wick is taken out. Alright, so now we can start actually forming our play. But just hold off there for a sec, buddy. Wait. I'm gonna play this a little close. Just usually this is where my stop would be, but I'm gonna play this a little close here. Let's see if we can get a really decent retest. Because if we get a decent retest, then we should be okay. No, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, come on, man. Just hold there. I like both trades right now. I think I might have to hold on. I think I'm gonna have to go with gold on this one. Just wake up. I'm gonna go with gold on this one. That's alright. Just wake up, son. Oh, did I choose the wrong one? Oh, beautiful. Wake up, gold. Wake up. Damn. That's my trade. I just gotta watch it go without me. No, I know. I can't make this up. Um, if we somehow get here, we can still take the, not even. What is, like, that's a huge wick there. I'm not willing to take that kind of reversal. Oh, man. The only other thing that I would like is if we can kind of get down here and then flip green. I'm willing to take the long here. Um, same with NQ. If we can just flip green and hold this like an impulse, I'd take both. Man. Yeah, we can somehow hold this here. Then I'd be willing to take the long here. Nice little beanie candle here. Same thing with GC, but damn, bro. Just trying to be done early today. Yeah, I might get on like an extra 15 minutes early tomorrow or something. This is twice where we kind of missed the move by just because we weren't on. I like it too, but it's done for now. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty much the trade. That was it. That was the trade that I was looking for. Yep. On both assets actually, because the gold one was pretty similar, right? Short here. I'd been looking for somewhere like around here. This is pretty much close to the 1-to-1 here. So great stuff. Yeah, I was willing to stay on here for 2 trades, but yeah, nothing. I think I'm gonna call it early tonight because there's literally nothing else. If I take anything, I'll do it on my Discord. So I'll see you guys there. But yeah, this is it for me today. That was a whole lot of nothing. Great. All right, later, y'all.